sixth class. Today topic is to create text on notepad using keyboard. First off, function key. 1 to 12 is function key. F5 is date and time. This is number key. Next 0 to 9 number key. And 0 is 9 to number key. Enter is next line. Next alphabet key. A to Z alphabet key. Enter is next line. Caps lock, word capital, caps lock, word small. Space bar. Enter is next line. This is space bar. Word space between words. Enter is next line. Remove to word backspace. Arrow. Arrow keys. Up, down, left, right. Thank you so much.